Hi, this is Dr. Mike Darre, the Extension Poultry Specialist at the University of Connecticut, and I'm really excited to be here today with you because I want to talk about egg quality and egg cleanliness on your farm. With your nest boxes with clean litter in it, you should be able to collect fairly clean eggs every day. However, sometimes you get a little bit of manure or organic matter on your egg and you want to know what's the best way to clean it. If you only have a few eggs every day, then you don't need any special egg washing machine. All you need to do is get maybe some Clorox wipes, or you can make a bleach solution, household cleaning solution. Usually it's about 1 tablespoon of Clorox or chlorine bleach to a gallon of water. And then you dip your rag into that, and then you wipe your egg with that, and that sanitizes. You want to be gentle because you don't want to wear off the cuticle layer. Then you have a nice clean egg. So using either Clorox wipe or using that bleach solution that you made, you can wipe your eggs off and then get a dry rag, dry them, and then you put them in your egg flat or carton. So one of the things you want to do with your eggs, if you can, is you want to candle them before you pack them to give to anybody or anyone else. You want to check for defects in the shelf, if there's any cracks or breaks. You want to look for the air cell to see how large it is. On here, that's a really small air cell, so it's a good high quality egg. And then you want to turn the egg a little bit with the light and look and see if you really see the yolk in a very distinct shadow. If you see the yolk distinctly, then it's probably an older egg. It's starting to break down a little bit. If you see red spots or dark spots in there, those are called blood or meat spots, and those aren't desirable. It doesn't hurt the quality that much. You can still cook it and eat it if you cook it thoroughly, but most people don't want to see blood spot or meat spot in their egg when they break it out. So candling is a good thing to do. And I think for home candling, if you have a really bright LED super flashlight, put your candling light up, put that as a candling light up to your egg. That works really well, and that's all you need to do. So clean your eggs, candle your eggs, and then package them properly. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed this series.